what's up? In this video, I just want to give a really quick update on some of the updates made by Figma with regards to variables. So now number variables can actually be used in a lot of different places. So for example, I have this component. I previously was able to use a number in my border radius, but now I can actually use it for individual corners as well. Like for example, something like this. Similarly, I can actually use it for my layer opacity as well, which was previously not possible. So I can go ahead and tweak the opacity as well. I can similarly use it in strokes. I can give it a stroke of my particular size, and I can use it in effects. I mean, these are just the high level things. I can have the X value, the Y value, the blur, the spread. I can have all of these linked to number values. Additionally, we now have nested instances or string values being assigned to nested instances. So I have this component, I have two nested instances exposed of components, and I can link particular variables to those variants as well.